god, this girl's trying to jump her car, and the whole thing is melting. God. Why are the jumper cables are straight up melting? No. Hold up. Cables. They're oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is what happened. Oh my god. What is going on? What the heck? Girl, you don't. I'm out of water.
Y'all ever just been driving down the road and you're like, I got my wallet, I got my phone, got my mask, got the aux cord, and then all of a sudden you're like, I forgot my keys.
Pull all the way up. Watch all
All right, so there's a little credit card. That's when you need a washer. If you need a bushing, shop rags will work. And if you got a really, really bad leak and you need to tighten it down, just get yourself a little seat clamp.
Dude, it landed right on the tire.
Perfect, dude.
The flame was right on like the bushing here.
It's from the heat that combusted. Yeah, those are like a...
What could it be? What could it be? Now that's a... kind of a weird one.
By the power invested in me as Ultramatic Diesel Performance, I now pronounce you piston and valve. You may kiss the valve. Mwah.
Este pelotudo, Coupé Megan. Al corte, al corte. Mira. Ahí está, al corte. Mira la bola, Acá hay otra, mira.
It's safe. I swear to you.
Let's play a fun game of find the oil filter. Is it there? Is it there? Is it there? Who knows? Maybe it's up there. How would you ever know when you have to excavate the truck before you can work on it?
So after hours of removing this electrical system and around, I finally thought I had hooked the door locks back up properly. The key's in the lock position. My keys, I don't even know where my keys are.
Customer complaint, washer pump doesn't work. I think there's a little something else at play here.
Okay, we chilling. Okay, maybe we're not chilling. Oh!
That look like the
To the hook we go. What?
So here we have the electric mini digger with 0 emissions. We trialled it yesterday. It was pretty good. It's got all the power of a normal mini digger, but the battery ran out after being fully charged after 2 hours. So here it is being charged up again. It takes 8 hours to charge it up with this big generator.